The overall goal of this experimental task is to study gist-based false memories in the laboratory.
This method can help answer key questions in cognitive neuroscience, such as how memories are not only created, but transformed. More specifically, how we forget the details, but remember the gist. The main advantage of this technique is its simplicity, since it's quite straightforward to prepare and conduct this task.
Begin by selecting word lists with the highest probability of false recall and recognition. Next, digitally record all the words in each list by using professional equipment, an unfamiliar voice, in a soundproof room. Record the word lists in descending strength of association at a rate of 1 word every 2 seconds. To help participants separate each list, include a delay of 12 seconds of silence, followed by a 1-second tone and 2 seconds of silence at the end of each list. Then, start the next list. Next, on the computer, drag and drop the audio file into audio editing software. Use the mouse to select the portion of audio to which silence will be applied. Then, select Edit, Remove Audio, and Silence Audio. Use Copy-Paste to apply the 1-second tone at the start of each list, and then press Stop to save the recording. Select File, Export, and choose the file format and destination of the audio file.